हाँ जी बोलिए. You want me to replace Falguni Pathak at Navratri next year? I'll look into the dates. Sorry. I'm busy. Bye. Sorry about that. Lots of work going on at the same time. But guys, Bitcoin is the big daddy of all cryptocurrencies, and the market cap of Bitcoin right now is over $1 trillion. I'll count the zeros and tell you. At a not so distant second is Ethereum at $400 billion, and it is a game changer in the cryptoverse. So essentially, Ethereum is a Gen 2 crypto, and it's the brainchild of Vitalik Buterin, who was 1 year younger than me in school, and we don't talk now, who himself was a child when he created it. Unlike Satoshi, Vitalik had different issues with the world. You see, he used to play an online game, and uska jo favorite in-game character tha, uska powers got changed. That character became weaker overnight because the game developers made changes to it. Vitalik was furious. He became very angry. Usko realize hua having a central figure controlling things people loved was not very nice. After the 2008 recession, Satoshi Nakamoto was like, मैं सारी transactions को decentralize कर दूंगा. After that video game tragedy, Vitalik Buterin was like, मैं सब कुछ decentralize कर दूंगा. So, they said the same thing, but Vitalik was louder. And so, Ethereum was born. Bitcoin and Ethereum में काफी चीजें सेम है. Like Bitcoin is the native token of the Bitcoin network, वैसे ही Ethereum का native token is ETH या Ether. They both make use of blockchain technology to facilitate transactions. Ethereum का block generation time is faster, like me, 14 seconds compared to Bitcoin का 10 minutes per block. And Ethereum का overall speed is about 15 per second as opposed to Bitcoin का 4 per second. Note that. It's still not as high as centralized services, but definitely an improvement. But the biggest feature of Ethereum is called smart contracts. Smart, close up of this face, Shana. आजकल सब शाने हो रहे हैं. Smartphone, smart TV, smart bulb. Smart bulb है, वो अपने आप अंधेरे में ऑन हो जाते हैं, remember? वैसे ही smart contracts, ये अपने आप execute हो जाते हैं. Like my contract, they told me it's done, but I didn't see anything or sign anything. But बाद में, let's not discuss personal issues on this show. For example, ये मेरे घर के भाड़े का contract है. उल्टा है. सॉरी एक्सक्यूज मी. इसमें लिखा है हर मंथ बबलू को साइरस को रेंट देने का है. अभी लास्ट मंथ बबलू ने रेंट नहीं दिया, तो आई हैव टू कीप कॉलिंग बबलू, व्हिच आई डोंट लाइक डूइंग. नाउ इफ दिस वर अ स्मार्ट कॉन्ट्रैक्ट, तो सब कुछ अपने आप हो जाता है. एवरी मंथ रेंट वुड कम फ्रॉम बबलूज अकाउंट ऑटोमेटिकली टू साइरस का अकाउंट. इफ बबलूज अकाउंट इज एम्प्टी, देन माय हाउस विल ऑटोमेटिकली लॉक द डोर्स एंड बबलू वोंट बी एबल टू एंटर अंटिल ही पेज रेंट. So basically, smart contracts remove the need for my involvement. It sets me free from calling Bablu ever again, even though he's my tenant. Guys, this is a very basic explanation of smart contracts. In reality, smart contracts are doing way cooler things. Now imagine you're a former Miss India. Sorry, no, that was what I was thinking of. Imagine you're a musician and you want people to listen to your music. Of course, if you're a jazz musician, nobody wants to listen to that, so let's not go there. Rather than having a label, a manager, or a music streaming company taking 90% of your revenue, you can provide it directly to the end consumer. How? Through a smart contract running an app. Or, ting-ting-ting, dApps, as they are called. I just named it. It's my thing, dApps. A decentralized app, basically. Now remember, the entire philosophy of crypto is what? Please answer, class. Decentralization. Well done, beta, well done. Bitcoin removed the need for a middleman for transactions. Ethereum and its smart contracts remove the need for any middleman. Like if you're a cab driver, rather than signing up for a centralized cab service app, kaisa hoga if you can reach out directly to the passenger? Ting, ting, ting. Hello, Raju here. I'm downstairs. No more profit sharing. The same idea works for almost any service you can think of. There's video streaming, social media platforms, e-commerce, buying and selling used products. In fact, if you want to sell that Genda full print wala shirt that your mom gave you for your birthday, thinking it's so cool, sell it. Just come na, sit. Ek baar. Bas, go. Bas. Dekha? Good. Nice to look at. You can sell it if you think it's cool, directly to the buyer if you can find one, without paying a cut to anyone else. As of today, the most popular use case of smart contracts is DeFi, which is decentralized finance. DeFi smart contracts give you access to various financial services without having to deal with an institution. For example, you can borrow funds, lend deposit, earn much higher interest through a smart contract-enabled DeFi service. And you're only dealing with a code, not a person or an organization for these services. So if you think about it, it's perfect for introverts. If you're an introvert who likes to be locked up in their room and not talk to anyone ever, and your mom has to literally drag you out of the room once a week to force you to have a bath, I'm not saying she gives you a bath because at 32 you should have a bath on your own, then you should definitely try out DeFi and smart contracts. Oh, and consult a psychiatrist before it's too late. Now, guys, Ethereum has been a game changer in the cryptocurrency world. Rambo, who is a doggy in my colony, was introduced to me in 2014 and he could sit down on command. His last all-time high was standing on command on his two hind legs. Remember that? Beautiful day. Ethereum was introduced in 2014 at $0.4. Its last all-time high was $4,200. That's some good returns. And unlike Rambo, who is still on the streets, Ethereum has already been adopted by hundreds and thousands of people around the world. Oh, there's Rambo. Hi, Baba. Auntie, don't touch him. The number 2 cryptocurrency in the world is obviously fantastic, but it's not without its issues. In fact, Ethereum has the same problem that my Masa used to have. Gas. And while my Masa's gas was related to his addiction to Jafar Bhai's mutton biryani, let's just give me a second. What a beautiful memory. Ethereum ka gas issues are slightly different. Gas is basically ETH or Ether that users pay to the miners to process their transactions and smart contracts. This is a very small fee that users have to pay to make use of the blockchain, same like it is in the Bitcoin blockchain. But Ethereum has way more use cases than Bitcoin and the network often gets congested. Remember, Ethereum can process only 15 transactions per second, but sometimes that's not enough. And transactions may take ages to process. तो लोग क्या करते हैं? They pay more gas to the miners. लगता है सारे Ethereum users Indians ही हैं. हमें line cut करने में बहुत मजा आता है. I, for example, got this job by breaking the line. There were a lot of people in the queue. Big names, huge names. Have you heard of Rohit Sharma? Not the cricketer. Anchor. Anyway, एक ज्यादा गैस देता है तो दूसरा उससे ज्यादा गैस देता है. अरे माइनर, उसका नहीं, मेरा पहला कर. Right there, I was just talking to him. Go back to work, sorry. Guys, on some ridiculous days, gas fees to process a simple smart contract transaction has been as high as $500. My fees for this. This makes it virtually unusable for the common man, but it also shows the demand for Ethereum. Now, obviously, Ethereum has plans to fix its gas issue, unlike my Masa, still going strong. And their plan is called ETH 2.0. ETH 2.0 is the most anticipated upgrade to the Ethereum network. This upgrade say Ethereum blockchain will transition from a proof of work blockchain to a proof of stake blockchain. Proof of work, guys, if you remember from last episode, is a guessing game that miners play to be selected to make the next block in a blockchain. This process consumes more resources than how much my Masa consumes mutton biryani. It requires expensive hardware and consumes electric power equivalent to what a small country does. Proof of stake is a different mining method. Isme the miners are called validators, and a validator is selected to create the next block based on how much ether they have staked. Imagine मैं और बबलू और ओए नाम क्या है? हैं? क्या? टुकी? I mean, I didn't name him, it's not my fault. Imagine मैं और बबलू और टुक्की वाकम महेश वैलिडेटर्स है. मेरे पास 50 ETH है, बबलू के पास 100 ETH है और टुक्की वाकम महेश के पास 150 ETH है. हमने ये सारे ETH स्टेक कर दिया, मतलब लॉक कर दिया. Now, every 14 seconds when a block is created, one of us will get selected by lottery. But टुक्की वाकम महेश will have higher chances of winning the lottery because he has staked more ETH. Immediately, 2 problems तो solve हो गए. We don't need expensive hardware and electricity consumption is negligible. So what proof of stake also does is make the blockchain faster. After the upgrade, Ethereum will be able to process more than 1,000 transactions per second and hopefully isse gas ka issue nahi hoga. Another part of ETH 2.0 upgrade is sharding. Sharding is the same thing that happens to Bablu's heart when he proposes to a girl. उसके टुकड़े टुकड़े हो जाते हैं, small pieces of shard, left, right, and center. Just like that, sharding will break the Ethereum blockchain into pieces, like a country divided into states. It runs better. And sharding के बाद, it's estimated that Ethereum will be able to process 100,000 transactions per second. ETH 2.0 का ETA is somewhere around early 2022, which is not too far. I don't have the exact date, but I'm told it might be a Wednesday, so keep it free. And when this happens, Ethereum will most likely explode with all the mass adoption it gets. Meanwhile, there are other proof-of-stake blockchains already out there who claim to have solved the shortcomings of Ethereum. We will look into these blockchains and some other cryptocurrencies in our next episode. Honestly, guys, Ethereum and Bitcoin are just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to what blockchains can do. Ji haan, there is a revolution coming in my Masa stomach and in the world. If you like this episode, then smash the like button and I will see you guys next week here at CoinSwitch Kuber Untangled. Oh, and remember, if you want to get started into Ethereum and its smart contracts, you can acquire your first ETH in just a few seconds by downloading CoinSwitch and signing up. All right? There you go. I'm going to do it right now. Just a couple of touches and I'm in with some Ethereum. I can't tell you how much. It's personal matter. Please control yourself. We can't share so much information. I'm trying to help you. Now you have to help yourself after that. And don't ask me to reveal things. Because I have a non-revealing exposure contract in place. I don't show anything in this show. Chalo, I'll show little bit. Bus, one button.